When cleaning my Graco 390 PC paint sprayer, I typically like to rinse a minimum of 3 times. On my first rinse, I want to bleed all the paint out of the spray pump, clean the intake hose, and also run water through the sprayer, bleeding out the dirty water. I switch the valve back to the spray hose and drain out the remaining paint until the water comes out the spray gun. Once I've removed all the paint from my sprayer and my spray hose, I then close the bucket of paint and get it out of my way. On my second rinse, I use several sprays of Pretty Boy paint cleaner into a 2-gallon bucket of water. This allows me to run soapy water through my sprayer and my spray hose. During this step, I also like to take the time and clean out the spray tips and housing. For my third rinse, I also like to use soapy water, and also include cleaning out my spray gun filter as well as the filter attached to the sprayer on this step. If using primer or urethane oil-based paints, I typically like to rinse it a 4th time. Being I used 100% acrylic paint, 3 rinses is sufficient. Once I'm satisfied and feel as if my pump is clean, I then put back the filters, wind up the hose, and put it away for the next project. Once again, leave any questions or comments, and please don't forget to like and share.